Hi, Paul. The equal importance ones, your two layouts here looked terrific. The only thing I would say here is this bit in the center isn't the same equality as these other two groupings, but this one here is right on. Big group, small group, individual element. What we're trying to do here is get the individual element to be dominant on the page. Quite often, lower lower right-hand corner is the least dominant place on the page. Particularly elements pushed into the corners look subdominant or submissive even. Think about ways that you could make the single element dominant. Center of the page is one place. Left-hand side is another. But if you go this way, make sure you give it lots of negative space, white space. Quite often, white spaces signifies dominance. So if you could give that both those sets another go, and dominant, subdominant here. Not exactly sure which one's dominant, which one's subdominant, except the bigger group, and that would be about the only reason one would be dominant here, one would be subdominant. Dominant, again, usually has lots of negative space around it. Dominant occupies the important parts of the page, the center, the top, center left, upper left, and subdominant is usually right, lower right, and often to corners or against sides. And right now, these two groupings are probably dominant, but just slightly so. So I think you're off to a good start. I do think that they could be pushed a little bit further, though.